Hi, I'm Kimmy and I have an allotment. I've had one for a while. I've had a few actually. And I decided to get another one. And I made so much footage of the start of clearing it. I haven't done much really, but just making a chicken coop and things and having fires, and then my phone died and it's all gone. Years worth of things have gone because I didn't back anything up. I'm really sad about it. And now it's like July. I'm gonna show you what I've just been doing. That's why I'm all hot and that. I've been trimming it all down because I've got some rubbish removal coming, hopefully. I'll show you what I've done. Sorry about that, but I just noticed a butterfly, cabbage white butterfly being trapped in a web. So don't mind about that. It is sad, but look what they've done to my cabbages. My purple sprouting and broccoli, I've still potted them on, look. Anyway, let's show you. So this is my allotment. There's my apple trees. This is where the chicks were that were born in April. I've moved them to the new allotment now. I've just cut the grass. And this is my new allotment. The chicks are out. I just cut the grass where I walk in because it was getting a bit big. That's where I've had my fires. It's a trampoline I'm going to turn into like a chicken tractor coop. That's all the rubbish. There's still more there, so I need to weed over there. I'll show you. There's chickens. This is what I've just done. It's all the rubbish I've piled up. There's the rubbish I need to get to. So I've been trying to trim, but the first battery's just run out. They're petrified of the strimmer. And you can't put anything that's useful in the skip thing. So I've put all the pots in there to keep. Anything that can be useful, you've got to keep. Just put some grass clippings in there. There's rubbish here, I need to get to that. That fence is all broken, so I need to fix that somehow. And there's a peach tree. Is it peach? Something like that. I forgot the name of them. Anyway, it's snapped. It's all burning in the bin. There's loads of egg boxes everywhere. I need to move that along today. What is it? Peach? Plum. This is the chicken coop I built. Oh, I'm still golden. That's an apple tree and a cherry tree. Oh, their ones are nearly ready, look. Oh, there's lots of weeds. Look at them. Ugh. That's an abandoned allotment next door. That's my allotment. It's my lovely allotment. Got some compost bins here. They were already here. I don't want to walk on this. Oh yeah, it's fully snapped, look. A big branch. This is all the stuff I've got to do. I've got a lot to do. It was all cut down quite a lot. That's why there's no flowerhead seed weeds. But it's just starting to get some there now. The chickens will come out and they're going to go away once I start putting the strimmer back on. But I'm going to try and get that area done at least. Maybe up to this line. Up to there. All this. Because that's where most of the rubbish is. So it can go there, because I need to take a picture to get a skip or rubbish removal from the council. Because lots of it was fly tipped stuff. These chicks were born in April, by the way. They look like pro chickens now. They're not chicks anymore. I've got grass on me. I'm gonna have like a drink, I think. I might just crack on, I don't know. So from here, I want to do that. All that. Strim at least. I'll be back. I'll show you what I've done now. Chickens are out enjoying the extra space. Done all that, I'm just starting to bag up the rubbish. It's really like mysterious bags with things in that are like double bagged up, like this. So I don't even want to open to find out what is in it. And that. Actually, there is feathers in that bag, so that's definitely... I don't know why people bag up dead birds and just dump them in someone's allotment. That's like household rubbish. Yeah. So why not just put that in your bin? I have to cut that with scissors because it's too hard. Didn't get to do that bit, but I've done that bit. That's all the rubbish. This is the day after, and that's how much I've done. I did also do right up there to clear a path right to the chicken run. I've tidied this up a bit, put some plastic down, some metal there, put whatever that is there. Put all the like weeds and the grass clippings in there. And I tried to move that, but it's really hard to move. So I'm going to have to get help with that. It's only that little bit that's got weeds, and obviously I need to go for all that again. I'll finish building that and chuck the chickens in it. Forgot about these bits of rubbish. Just gonna get this last bag of rubbish, put it on the rubbish pile and take some pictures for the council so they can get me my skip. The rubbish pile is looking full now. Here it is, and hopefully it's all gonna be gone soon. Got all these weeds to do next and that fence to deal with. Oh, nice butterfly. So that's gonna be it for today. Oh, there's a cat. Thanks
Thanks for watching if you've made it this far. Bye!